Let us follow stock coming in the realistic way. We reorder flour from our supplier by recording a vendor invoice whose line is the actual inventory item. We then raise a voucher to pay that bill. And because the supplier often delivers in parts, ZetaFisc lets us receive a partial delivery now and the rest later, every receipt tracked against the order. We order 200 kilograms of premium baking flour. First, the vendor invoice, and notice the line is the inventory item itself, so this is a stock purchase, not just an expense. That bill is then settled by raising a voucher against it, which goes through the two-level approval and payment we covered in the payments videos. Paying the supplier and receiving the goods are separate steps, so the warehouse can book in a delivery whenever it arrives. We go to inventory movements, where this order is now waiting to be received. The supplier only brings 50 kilograms today, out of the 200 ordered. We click receive on that line. The model shows the expected 200, we enter the 50 actually received, and confirm. The line now shows as partially received, 50 in, 150 still to come. A few days later the rest arrives. We click receive more on the same line and book in the remaining 150. Now the order is fully received, the full 200 kilograms are in stock, and the movements show both deliveries against the one order. That is partial receiving, exactly as it happens with real suppliers. Sometimes the supplier delivers everything in one go. We order 50 kilograms of sugar on a vendor invoice, paid by voucher the same way, and go to receive it. This time the full 50 kilograms arrive together. We click receive and book in all 50 at once, a complete delivery. Now let us read the whole inventory movements table, it is the complete audit trail of stock. We scroll across to see every column. Each row is one stock movement, the item, the warehouse it sits in, the expected quantity ordered, the quantity actually received, the status, and the source document, the very invoice or voucher it came from. The action buttons on the right change with the status. Receive appears when a delivery is awaiting, receive more when it is only partly delivered, disburse when items are going out to a customer, and edit to correct a recorded movement. We scroll back to the left. That is the full inbound picture, order on a vendor invoice, pay by voucher, and receive the goods, in parts over several days or all at once, with every delivery tracked against the order and the stock rising automatically.